This is a 7-bedroom villa cut up into a 4-bed and to a 3-bed. And we're gonna go upstairs in just a second.
But it's great, man. Everybody happy right now, and they have a good time. And it's very close to everything, every store. Costco right here. So come and check it out.
You look good in that hat. Good, glad you made it sometimes. I love that you have a fucking Oye, eso, dale, dale. Es like una corre por todo. Eso. Dale, 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 eso. Soy la mejor, ustedes son malas. Soy la mejor, ustedes no hay nada. Sí, soy chingana. Ustedes super mal, demasiado en el mundo. So you guys are wondering, why am I dancing up on this table? Is it because I needed to make a little extra cash, because I need some extra dollars? That's because we are selling this beautiful villa. We're talking 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. This is priced so good. Wait until the very end of the video. I'm gonna tell you guys the price, and it is ridiculous. This is a rental machine, an Airbnb opportunity. This is a retirement solution. This is a very good deal. What do you think about this house?
Está preciosa, está grandísima.
See, that's what she said. Now, if you go ahead and you went and search on MLS and you search 7 bedrooms, you're gonna find 4 properties, maybe 5. And Max is shaking his head. You don't know what you're talking about. I'm telling you, never told a lie in my life. And I'll tell you another thing. I'll never let the facts get in front of a good story. You remember that. So this is 5,000 square feet. And again, this can be one giant property. We've got a lot of people here right now, and it doesn't even look like there's that many people here, but we probably got 60, 70 people here. Has a private swimming pool down below and 2 garage stalls where you could fit 3 cars. You could put a bowling alley in if you like. A gun shooting range, that would be dope. Or a, for like the bow and arrow. Something like that. You have a lot of options, that's what I'm saying. We are located literally 5 minutes from downtown, right next to Costco, and we have a beautiful view of the park, as you can perfectly see. ¿Te gusta esta casa o qué?
Me gusta. Y sí, tiene muchas oportunidades. 2 cocinas. Es como tener 2 casas.
Sí, es verdad. Tiene 2 cocinas también. Entonces, no es solo una casa. Estas 2 casas. For example, guys, it really is one house, but it has an excellent way how they locked it off. Because when it's locked off, it feels like one house just for you, because it has its own private entrance. And when it's open like this, it just feels like a giant mansion. Again, I'm gonna jump off this balcony into the pool at the end of the video. Actually, I'm gonna throw her into the pool. That's even better. We're gonna get more views that way. ¿Está bien? No. This place is grandísimo. Very big. We've got vaulted ceilings. We have a little half bath over here. We have our bunk beds here, of course. A matrimonial here. We have a twin. Come on in here. Come on in. What is this? What are you guys doing? Drogas? ¿Qué haces aquí? Ay, mota? Dámelo. Ay, no. So this is where I like to do most of my pimping. Like with my pimp cup, right here under the bunk with my lady up on the top. She's already dead now, I know, so we'll maybe have to do something different. But this is her twin sister. Her twin sister is almost as good as she is. We can fit a lot of people in here. In fact, if this was me, I'd fit probably 6 bunk beds in here. So we have 2 masters actually, 1 below, and we have 1 above. Obviously with its own ensuite, of course. Look, you can see the people over here. You can throw things at them, and then it's like a game. Give me something to throw. Just the new one is like this. Thank you to everybody who always supports us. We try to do our best to give love to everyone. We got a bunch of cash. We got some 20s, we got some 1s, we got some 50s, we got some 100s in here. And we're gonna spray the crowd and let everybody have a little fun. Salud. Hey, you're working for me, Don. There you go. you're probably wondering, what is the price on this beautiful villa? $1.45 million. And guess what else? We have, if you're a real estate agent, we're offering a buy inside bonus, 25,000 US dollars, and I'll make it rain 25 G's all over you, and you don't even have to be a real estate agent. If you have a buyer, send me a message, hand me the ball, let me run that bad boy in, and I will hand you off 25 G's in a bag. That's how we do it. So we have some of the highest commissions in all of Cabo San Lucas. That's what we're known for. We're one of the only guys that have financing, owner financing, on most of our properties, and we have about 100 million in property. Thank you so much. Thank you, Danny. Muchas gracias a ti. Thank you, Money Max, for everything. Max has been here for about a month or so. It's been a hell of a ride, a lot of fun. I'm gonna miss you, my brother. I will see everybody on the next video.